Are you a rider that likes the full send? Well, don't get caught without a winch. Sometimes we run into unforeseen predicaments, and it comes in handy to have a winch on your machine. We all have that one friend, or maybe it's you, that's always getting stuck in the mud, on a hill, or wedged between rocks. These winches are up to the task to get you out of a jam. What makes Black Ops Series winches superior over the competition? Waterproof seals and solenoids protect the components from the elements, allowing your winch to run optimally when it matters the most. Our aluminum Haas fair leads are CNC machined that won't wear your rope out over time like the traditional rollers. With a rocker switch and wireless remote, it allows you to operate your winch from inside or outside your side-by-side. Equipped with a 50-foot synthetic rope, giving you the reach you need. Every winch comes with a rope stopper, pull strap, and hook kit. Black Ops Series winches are available in a variety of sizes to accommodate your riding style.
Are you looking for ultimate pulling power and you need it fast? Check out our Ready Fit winches. All the great features of our Black Ops Series winches, but it comes pre-mounted and pre-wired. Cut your install in half by simply mounting it up and making a few wiring connections. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We make one of the most reliable winches on the market, but don't just trust us. Take a look at what some of our thousands of Black Ops owners are saying about SuperATV's Black Ops Series winches.
And to top it all off, not only do these winches look great, they work great, and they give you a great peace of mind.